Back up a little bit. To me it is.
Ooh, everything's funny to you.
Get out of the way. Dragon, penguin, panda. Okay, here's the panda's gonna eat the penguin now.
She's an imposter!
Zachary!
Let go of my hat, or I'll have to kill you and make you into a person. I'm ripping off your skin.
Put it down.
Zach, you suck.
Why? You stole my hat.
Incognito. Oh no! I'm not letting him see your face.
She's right behind you.
Panda.
She's behind her face.
Come back over here. I can't record. Zach, that won't fit you.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Like the panda. Get your penguin on.
Oh, that's really good. Oh, yeah.
I can't get back over.
My one is funny because the penguin doesn't have the full face. It's like half.
Better body moves.
Oh my god!
Sweetie, penguins don't go to Hawaii. I'm sorry to inform you. You're not luau penguin. You're not hula hula penguin. Don't, Zach.